Mike has 7 nickels more than dimes. If he has a total of $2.45, how many dimes does he have? So we are going to set up two equations. The first one will be for the fact that Mike has 7 nickels more than dimes. And the second one will be the total amount that you have, which is $2.45. Now the first one can be just a little tricky to set up. It's a very easy process, but you just have to be careful. It says 7 nickels more than dimes. So you have more nickels than dimes. So therefore, your nickels are going to be equal to the number of dimes plus 7. So just be careful. You have more nickels, so therefore if you have 10 dimes, it will be 10 plus 7, you have 17 nickels. Your second equation will be with how much money we have, which is $2.45. Now the money is going to be made out of your nickels and your dimes. And what is each nickel worth? It's going to be worth 0.05. And how much each dime worth will be 0.10 cents. So it'll be 0.05 times the number of nickels N plus 0.10 plus the number multiplied by the number of dimes, which is D, equal to your total, which is 2.45. Now many times we don't want to work with decimals. Since we have 2 decimal places throughout on each of the terms, we are just going to multiply by 100. So it gives me 5n plus 10d equal to 2.45. And your second equation will be this one here. Now, since it's already solved for n, I'm just going to use substitution. I'm going to plug in the value of n in here. That'll be 5n plus 10d equal to 2.45. And I'm going to substitute the value of n with d plus 7. And that gives me 5d plus 35 plus 10d equal to 2.47. And from there I can solve for d. Combine like terms. Gives me 15d plus 35 equal to 2.45. Solve for d, move the 35 to the left because it's negative 35. So it gives me 15d is equal to 2.45 minus 35 will give me 210. I'm going to divide by 15. Divide by 15. That cancels. So therefore d is equal to 210 divided by 15. That 15 goes into 21 once. 1 times 15 is 15. Subtract gives me 6. Bring them to 0. 15 goes into 60 5 times or 4 times. 4 times 15 is 60. So d is equal to 14. And your answer is letter E, 14.